This is a 30-foot tornado, and we came all the way to Chicago to see it. We are here to show you the massive tornado. Wait, come back. We need to tell you guys how we got here.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
We packed our bags, we hit the road. Me and Yehuda, excitement mode. From what we built inside our home to something bigger, we had to go. We walked inside and there it stood, a giant tornado rising tall and good, spinning fast, reaching high like it's dancing up into the sky.
We're in the tornado. It's actually refreshing. It's like a humidifier.
Yeah.
I actually tried making my own tornado years ago, and it kind of worked. Then I built a bigger one, and that one worked surprisingly well. We built a tornado box, but the one at the museum was on another level.
Nice.
The reverse fan.
Yeah, Oh, very cool.
So
It's so fun. And the fact that you, as an engineer, worked with your kid over there to make a smaller version of it.
That one.
Yeah. Like, it's so cool.
As we're walking, we're changing the airflow direction, and this tornado is breaking apart. Or like Superman when he flew around the earth to stop it. We stopped the vortex. God. We'll spin it into existence on the Whoa. Here we are, we got it going. This is real. That's not special effects. That's air spinning fast enough to look like a tornado. But what's the...
As you're walking, you're good to go.
What is the vapor though?
So
Dry ice?
So underneath that little metal grate is a tub of water. Imagine like a kiddie pool, right?
Okay.
And it is surrounded by these atomizers. Now these little white discs are vibrating constantly because you can make water vapor with changing the temperature, like steam, or with vibration.
Strong and wide, like earth and heaven are side by side. You hear the sound, you feel the air. There's something awesome happening there.
We learn the science, how it flows. Pressure builds and the wind just grows. But who made nature work so right? Who gives it cool day and night?
It actually pulls everything upward.
Even though this vortex looks like it's huge.
It's going higher. You made it all the way to the top.
Can I see this video that it went all
I will, you'll see it. This might be one of the coolest science exhibits we've ever seen.
yeah, the giant Tesla coil at the ceiling of Science Storms.
Right there. That's all, I see
It's
that.
going to be firing 1.5 million volts of static electricity.
Where should we not stand? Any last words? 2, 1.
And switch.
Yeah.
Works so right. Who gives it cool day and night?
You got a little pet for the house. Your own hamster wheel.
Working perfect every time we look around. It's clear to see this whole world runs so perfectly. This whole world runs so perfectly. Thank you, Hashem, for all we see. For the wind, the sky, the mystery. From the smallest drop to the open sky, every moment shows you're nearby. Thank you, Hashem, we sing it loud. From the swirling winds to every cloud, every cloud, every sight shows your endless power.
We came to Chicago to film a tornado. Not only did we film a tornado, we went in the tornado. What were some of the favorite things you did? Until next time, guys. Bye, like he said. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
I think that's our Uber.
Who gives the sky its mighty sound? Who made the core we can see?